This is going on YouTube.
I'm actually a squirrel.
You're so dumb. How long has he been doing this for?
A couple minutes. He started right before you came out. No, actually, I have not seen him do this before. I've seen him play with it, but I've never seen him do this.
Why? It's like destroying it. That's how he gets birds.
Yeah, think about it. He catches a mice, catches a mouse, catches a bird. That's what he does. He holds it down with his paws and tears it with his teeth.
But this is a pine cone.
He's Californian. I'm gonna have an avocado and pine nut salad.
Avocado and pine nut salad. Sis? And he looks so confused.
Yeah.
So what is that? Are they revving the engine in a minivan?
I think he has sufficiently destroyed that pine cone.
Well, that was tasty.
Can I zoom in on this?
You have to like that. You have
Yeah, you step close.
No, like, I mean, like, when you're recording, can you do that on an iPhone?
There's no.
I think that's all the comedy we're gonna get out of that.